What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video. Man, I hope you guys was loving that ride video, man. I think it was freaking sick. I literally enjoyed riding that CVO through downtown LA, man. I think it was freaking fun, just fun. And then the tunnels, oh, whole nother story, man. I can't wait to get the next bike with loud pipes so we can go do the same thing and just full throttle through that thing, man. But without further ado, man, it's time to get these bikes shipped out. Today, we're getting rid of the blue bike. It's heading to Arkansas, and the denim gray bike on the end is heading to Philly today. So gonna get these things pulled out, ready to go. We do have the tour pack as well back there that's going, so I don't know if I could strap that up beforehand or if he has some room in the truck. I hope he does. That will be best, because I know with that tour pack, that thing is gonna throw the whole thing off. But you know, it's not my bike anymore, so it is what it is. But if you guys haven't entered the giveaway for the 2017 Road King, man, head over to everythingsregular.com right now and grab you a keychain. That will be your entry into the giveaway, man. You guys see the bikes have went. These bikes are going next, so it could be you next, man. I could be pulling up on a Harley to yo dough, man. So you already know. Thanks for the support. But without further ado, man, let's get right into it now, shall we? Sliding. Airplane. Yep, so we got these things pulled out. They're ready to go. Looking good. Now I'm trying to see if I want to put this tour pack on here. I'm hoping he has space, because I really don't want to put this tour pack on here. Honestly, it's going to throw the whole thing off. But we'll see what we can do, dog. Alrighty, guys, we got that tour pack on there. Does look, I mean, it's not matching, but you know, it's a tour pack. Cool for transport and stuff. So when he gets there, I'll show him how to take it off if that's what he wants to do. But it's there, man. So it's there, ready for shipping, ready to go. It'll probably pop a wheelie now that I think about it. I ain't gonna lie, I want to go try it real quick, but I ain't about to be the one to drop this right before it go to shipping today. So let's see where the shipping guy is right now, man. Alrighty, guys, so our shipper just hit us up. He's about a few minutes out. However, I've been cleaning this garage, man, so all this stuff is going in the trash, boxes and stuff. That seat, bottle, everything right there is going in the trash. Gotta get this place clean. It's freaking dirty and junky, man, so getting reorganized and stuff, but she'll be able to get this thing cleared up and looking a little bit better today. Yes, sir. Pulled up with the big trailer in the back. Yes, sir, dog. Right here. Yes, sir. Right here. Woo. I see that joint, man. It's out of here, y'all. It's out of here. Man, my boy then came out here about to get that road, about to get that street glide to Arkansas for me. Yeah. There we go. Yes, sir. Got the tour pack on the back of that joint. I'm digging it. Let's see him come around. Come on. Come on. Hurry up. Hurry up, come on. Look, she trying to see what's going on. She like, where you at? Where you at? Right? Yeah. Woo. Oh, yeah. Now, while that thing is in there, we're going to go pull the other one around. Yes, sir, y'all. We got the thing all strapped up. My dog is about to get on the road, and we gonna meet him in Arkansas. But yes, sir, man. I appreciate you, brother.
Hey, anytime, man.
Good looking out, man.
Yep, see you in Arkansas.
All right, see ya. Alrighty, guys. She is out of here. We will see the truck in Arkansas, dog. That thing is a nice freaking trailer. Get out of here, y'all. Can't wait. Next stop, Arkansas. Alrighty, man. So now that we got them things out of here, literally, that was like a whole bunch of weight off my shoulders, dog. Literally a whole bunch of weight. Like, man, now I can actually get some stuff done. Cause like, look at our garage now. It's pretty much empty. We only got one bike over here and we're waiting on parts for that. So that means I can get all the little stuff done, like the shipping and everything else on the orders and all that, man. So I want to thank everybody for tuning in today. You already know how it's going, man. If you guys haven't entered for the road glide already, man, head over to everythingsregular.com, copy you a keychain, and that'll be your entry into the giveaway, man. So we'll see what we can do today. I don't really got a bike to ride or nothing like that, man. So I don't know, we'll see, man. Meanwhile, man, now that we got them bikes shipped up out of here, man, I can chill back and chill with the family. Got the babies out here watching the dolphins. Something different, you know? Look at the dolphins over there. Doing flips. Let's check it out. I ain't never been in nothing like this out here before. Look. Ooh. You want to get in? Want to get in? Come on, let's go. Let's go. You want to get in? Get in?
She's trying to take her socks off too.
You want to get in? Okay, let's go. Let's get in. Get in, go. Go. No, don't get in there. Oh, giant.
Yes, flush. And again, so why don't you have your own any of those electronics?
Whoa. Mama, look.
One of them being bad. You heard that?
If some go. What the heck? Hell yeah.
And just a friendly reminder, folks, while you're poolside, please make sure all arms, hands, legs, and feet do stay that are outside. As you'll see, our trainers do walk around the entire pool area. So guys.
Meanwhile, guys, we are at the airport waiting for our flight to Texarkana right now. So if y'all caught the video, man, make sure y'all tune in tomorrow. And we'll see how that thing goes, man. So I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, man. If you guys want in on that road glide, man, make sure you hit up everythingsregular.com. Cop your keychain and you could be entered into the giveaway, and I could be pulling up to your crib next, man. So with that being said, I have to catch y'all on the next one, dog. Peace.